Hi, I'm Janet Wong. I want to talk to you a little bit about my poem, Adults Can Learn from Kids in No Voice Too Small. One of the first things that I did when I received the assignment to write about Adora Svitak, who gave a TED Talk, a famous TED Talk when she was only 12 years old, was I listened to that TED Talk several times. I read about that TED Talk, I listened to it, and I jotted down the words, just a few words and lines that really resonated with me. So, for instance, adults can learn from kids. Adults can learn from kids. Yes, very powerful. And we should, and we must. Turn kids into, and then she said some more things, and then she said, better adults than you have been. Turn kids into better adults than you have been. And then the last phrase that really struck me was something like you are or we are the ones who will bring this world forward. The ones who will bring this world forward. And I wanted to set those words off, her own words, in some way. And I could have used quotation marks. I could have put her words in quotation marks. But lately, as a stylistic thing, what I've been doing is taking quotes or dialogue and putting it in italics. And so you can see here that I've got adults can learn from kids in italics and turn kids into better adults than you have been. And I put ... because I took some of the words out, right? I didn't want to put the whole long quote, but the gist of it was turn kids into better adults than you have been. And then the last phrase that I quoted that I really wanted to draw attention to was the ones who will bring this world forward. So try writing a poem where you take quotes by somebody, quotes that really inspire you, and set those quotes off either by quotation marks or put them in italics and incorporate them into your own poem. Mix them with your own words and see what happens. All right. I'm Janet Wong. Thank you for listening. Bye.